Hello everyone, welcome to my channel codevision. Today we are going to start a Python tutorial where you will learn from basic to advanced level of Python. So this is my first video, and in this video we will be going through the installation process of Python on your Windows, Linux and Android. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you are a Windows user, open your preferred browser and go to www.python.org, or you can search Python on Google, and the first link given in the result will be the official site of Python. Go to downloads and download Python 3.7.4. After completing download, open it, which will pop up an installation window. Here, first thing you have to do is to check this checkbox which says add Python 3.7.4 to path. This option will allow you to run Python through command line or command prompt. After that, you have two options, install now and customize installation. So it's up to you. If you want Python to be installed in default directory, go with first option. Either if you want to install Python in different directory, go with second option and follow my steps. Installation process do not take a long time. So after completing the installation, go to Start menu, All Programs, look for folder Python 3.7, and here you can see IDE Python 3.7. This is a Python interpreter where you can test small programs or codes and logics. Now if I type print parenthesis under double quote hello world and hit enter, it will show the output of the particular line. Or if I try 5 plus 7 and hit enter, it will give the result of S12. This is how we use interpreter to check a piece of code. Since Python is installed in our computer, we can write our first program in Python. So press Ctrl N to open new file. Now this is a text editor of Python where you can write Python program, you can save it and run it. So very quickly, let's write our first program in Python, which will be Hello World program. After writing a program, you can run it by pressing F5 key, but if program is not saved in your computer, it will ask you to save it. So choose your preferred location to save it, and the output will be there in IDE. That's all for Windows user. We have installed and tested Hello World program in Python. Now if you are a Linux user or you want to run Python codes on your Android mobile, follow the steps. Okay everyone, we have installed Python in our computer. Now we are ready to code. So we will see you in next video. Hey guys, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और देखते रहिए कोड्स विजन. Thanks for watching.